guys, it's Kat and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have a quick speed clean on my living room and my daughter's toy room. The day I filmed this video, we had a little get together for my middle daughter Nevaeh's 6th birthday, guys. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe she's 6. Time just needs to slow down. We had a little party in the backyard, and you know kids, they always make their way inside. There was toys, there was new toys, old toys, everything. Epic forts made with these sheets and blankets. It was such a good day. So you can see me here just folding up some blankets, collecting all the overflow of toys that gets into the living room once they have no more room on the floor in the toy room. So I'm also gonna get into the toy room, clean up all the Lego, of course, Lego everywhere. And you moms out there know that if you step on Lego, ouch, it is so sore, painful, and super irritating little toys all over the place. So super excited to get all those up so we don't have to worry about it and get this place back in order. Here you can see me breaking down a box. We purchased this glamper, which you will see me try and put back together in a couple seconds here, for Nevaeh for her birthday, and there are little parts to this thing everywhere. Let me tell you, it came with one little dinky LOL toy, which I wasn't too impressed about, but Nevaeh loves it. There's so many compartments. There's a little catwalk, there's a pool, there's a stage, a DJ booth with turntables. Like, it's pretty epic for a little girl's toy. If you're like me, I am 34 and I came from a generation of Barbies, and we had every type of Barbie, but the stuff that they make nowadays, guys, is just insane. Little pieces everywhere. So right now I'm gonna get all of that organized back together before I get into the toy room. So at the end of the video, you are going to see me at the end when I show the finale. 3 stains, one is in the living room, one is in the toy room, and then there are a few on the couch. So be prepared. In the coming days, there will be a steam clean with me video. I have done one in the past, but with 2 cats, a dog, and 3 kids, the traffic in and out of this house is just insanity, and things get dirty. So that will be happening soon. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. This is all the talking I'm going to be doing. Turn up the music. If you got to clean, if you just want to dance, I don't care what you guys do, but just have fun doing it, and don't forget to smile. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys next time.
Skies of a different light, white noise that keeps me up at night. I can't help but think back to you. I wish that I could find a face that I would recognize. I replay the memory of you. It's been hard, you know I wanted to stay, caught us off guard, but there was no other way. Did you wait? 'Cause I've been counting the days, and I'm calling up to say I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's time home with you, but I'm coming home. Hold on to my embrace, this time I promise it won't break. I'm hoping that things haven't changed. Life took us far apart, but it never took away my heart. Have you been holding it safe? 'Cause it's been hard, you know I wanted to stay, caught us off guard, but there was no other way. Did you wait? 'Cause I've been counting the days, and I'm calling up to say I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. We'll stay up till morning and head out exploring, make up for months that we've missed. Cause the cold air is calling and my head's recalling the moment that I was convinced. We'll stay up till morning and head out exploring, make up for months that we've missed. Cause your lips are calling and my heart's recalling the way I could never resist. It's been so hard